The Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH, and the Mayors for Good Governance are strengthening their partnership to better address the challenges faced by local chief executives, particularly issues related to substandard infrastructure projects. Here's Jane Cudnita reporting.
DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon gathered various mayors from across the country who are members of the Mayors for Good Governance, led by Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong. The meeting served as a dialogue between the agency and the local chief executives to identify the problems they face in the respective areas, especially concerning infrastructure matters. Investigations into the flood control anomaly revealed that some DPWH school building projects were allegedly substandard. Through this meeting, the collaboration between the DPWH and local governments is expected to be strengthened for the effective implementation of key infrastructure projects.
Dahil nga magaki ang backlog natin sa construction ng classrooms, humihingi tayo ng tulong sa mga mayors na pwedeng tulungan nila tayo sa pag-construct, no? Para mabilis nating mahabol yung backlog natin at maka-catch up na tayo by next year. Tanti itong step na to not only help DPWH and DepEd with the classrooms, but also later on, pati mga ibang proyekto natin.
The DPWH is also planning a tripartite agreement between the LGUs and the Department of Education for the classroom SketchUp plan. This aims to ensure an orderly and efficient process in constructing new classrooms and to make sure these are up to standard and safe during calamities. According to DPWH data, 200 classrooms have been completed this year and more than 1,000 are targeted for completion by September 2026.
Yung funding, meron namang pondo eh. No, meron namang pondo, gago na kung yung pondo hindi na nakawin. So magtulungan na lang tayo, hindi natin mapupondoan lahat, pero meron tayong magagawa.
For Infanta Quezon Mayor Lord Arnel Ruanto, the move taken by the DPWH is significant, especially since the province still has a backlog of around 3,000 classrooms.
I-feature natin yung real situation ng education. The education crisis talaga. Imagine from grade 1 to grade 3, 15% o 15 lang sa 100 yung kayang bumasa ng tama na ayon sa kanyang edad at grade o antas. Kaya ang isang tinitingnan din po namin, imagine if you have that kind of environment, learning environment, classroom na kulang-kulang. Ganun talagang resulta. Kaya we cannot just blame DepEd. Ang totoo, pag titingnan natin, wala kasi tayong ginawang mabilis na solusyon doon sa backlogs ng classroom. So kaya po ganun yung nangyayaring resulta.
The mayor added that under this agreement, the construction of projects that are inappropriate or substandard will also be avoided. In this way, the millions of pesos allocated for these projects will not go to waste.
Mas maganda kung kasama sa pagpaplano lagi ang local governments. The local governments can consult the barangays. Doon sa CAP, actually involved pa ang civil society organizations. So they would be the one na meron tayong outsiders to look for the construction of classrooms. So mas maganda, may marami nagbabantay. Mas maayos yung proyekto.
Meanwhile, the DPWH and the Mayors for Good Governance will also focus on Upland Kontrabaha program, which includes declogging and cleaning drainage systems and waterways in flood-prone areas, especially since no funds have been allocated for flood control projects in the 2026 national budget. This has been Jane Cudnita, your citizen correspondent, reporting for Newsline World.